Hi, this is Mrs. Wood. Today we're going to answer the question, how many tens are in 1,000? So that's the question that you're going to answer on your Seesaw activity today. So we're going to do a couple of smaller problems to kind of get you thinking about how you might solve this problem. So if we start smaller, let's think about how many tens are in the number 30. So here I've drawn 3 tens, and I can count 10, 20, 30. There are 3 tens in 30. Let's get a little bigger. How many tens are in the number 100? So if I count by tens, and I've used 10 sticks, and I've counted by tens, I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There are 10 tens in 100. A little bit bigger. How many tens are in 200? So again, I've counted by my tens. I've got my 10 sticks. And as I count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I know that there are 10 tens in 100. So if I add on 10 more tens, that should take me to 200. So I add on 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. There are 10 tens in each 100, so 10 tens plus 10 tens is 20 tens, and that equals 200. So now it's your turn. On Seesaw, you're going to see your math activity for today, which is just one question. How many tens are in 1,000? Use the same type of strategy I just showed you to find the answer. If you need to, please feel free to use a piece of paper at home so that you can show all of your work, and then you can take a picture of your work and upload it to Seesaw. Please be sure that you include the statement, there are tens in 1,000. And you're going to be filling in that blank. How many 10 sticks, how many tens are in 1,000? Can't wait to see your work.